Ko hoki mai te kohu ki runga o karāpiro. Nā, he wā mā te hunga Golden Smilers ki te whakapakari I tā rātou tinana.
This year we've trained like we've never trained before. We've been training 3, 4, 5 times a week on the river, on the Avon River and out at Littleton. We've just been really going hard.
Koinei te kapa kaumātua anake hei whakakanohi I te waka o Aoraki, arā ko te Golden Smilers, no te karapu o Waitaha Paddling. Neke atu I te rua te kaumārima tau tēnei tima e hoi tahi ana ki ēnei momo whakataetae.
Waikato River Authority Golden Master Men W6, Heat 1 of 2. Golden Smilers, Waitaha Paddling in Lane 1.
Basically, most of the clubs in the South Island, close to 30 years. On and off, you go through one club, then they drop off and we go to another club. And just keep going as long as you can keep going.
We've got 1 or 2 new ones, but we've been together probably, some of us have been together 10, 15 years. At 72, I figure I'm pretty healthy, I'm fit. In terms of health, it's amazing.
Ko tā te kaitiaki o te waka o Aoraki, a Brendan Timmins, he miharo te kite I tēnei hunga kaumātua e hoi tonu ana.
It's inspirational for a young pup like me in my mid-50s that it's, you can. And even, yesterday we've seen the 80-year-olds out there as well. So good. I mean, Rob Smith from Waitaha is very influential in my paddling when I first took it up. So supportive. How good. At that age to be able to go, nah, bring it, we're happy.
E hara I te mea ko te whiringa toa te whainga matua. He aronga anō.
Our goal was to get through and enjoy it. Hopefully we can make finals. If we can, even better. But it's to come through it, enjoy it, and come out as a team at the end of it.
For us, it's not always about medals. It's about us coming up here and competing and catching up with old mates and seeing where the bar is on our age group anyway. See where the bar is and what we need to do to be able to catch up with the rest of them, with the North Islanders.
Hei āpōpō, ka kōkiri tonu ēnei kapa o te awa haku me te waka paunamu mō te rangi tuarima o te whakataetae nei. Shakayla Andrews-Alapaki, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.